Okay, today we're going to be taking a look at voice memos, which comes with the iPad, okay, well, at least the one that I got, and we're going to record to wireless lavalier mic right here. Okay, it's connected right there, and let's go to voice memos. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, we'll just continue. Yep, there's the interface. It's probably very, the most simplistic one that I've seen. Let's hit record. Checking the voice memos. This is a new recording. As you can see, it's counting up as I speak, and you can see the waveform right up here, and it's the title of it is new recording. Okay, so once we're done, we can just hit done. Okay, so there's a new recording. Okay, and if we want to play back, there doesn't seem to be any. Well, there is an edit button there, so let's just play and see what that sounds like. Checking the voice memos. This is a new recording. As you can see, it's counting up as I speak. Okay, so that's very nice. If we want to edit it, you can see that you can go up here and you can edit the way you need it to. So you can move it around like this. You can go forward by 15 seconds, go all the way to the top. And then if you wanted to trim it, let's see if there's a way to trim it. I don't see a way to trim it, but let's... Okay, there you go. So that here, when you click on the top button, let's go back. Let's hit cancel just so you see where I did that. So you can also, looks like you'll be able to make it go back slow or fast. You can skip silence, or you can enhance your recording. If you enhance your recording, it looks like it's just a preset. Let's listen to that. Let's play that. Checking the voice memos. This is a new recording. As you can see, it's counting up as I speak. Okay, so it does sound a little better, but let's see. And then you can see the waveform right up here. Okay, so in order to trim it, you want to hit this little icon here, and then you'll be able to trim the parts that you don't want. See if you want to, if you just want to hit that, you're just going to hit trim. And then I play back. Checking the voice memos. This is a new recording. Okay. As you can see. So if you wanted to save that, you can save that, or you can just, for me, I'm just going to delete it. So you can hit done. And so then you're recording, and in order to get rid of that, you just want to hit delete. Recording moved to the recently did it. Okay, and then that's it. And that's how you do your voice memos. Okay. Hope you found that useful. Bye.